Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass Gotranscript MCQ test. So first of all, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel. First step is you must read all transcription guideline all the way to the end 1 to 2 times. This will help you during the MCQ test as well as audio test. This transcription guideline is very important. You must apply our transcription guideline rule. After reading this transcription guideline rules, let's move to the MCQ test first. And apply for transcription position. To apply for transcription position, you must complete quiz 100% correct using our guidelines. Each question can have one or more correct answers. First question is, what should you do with curse words? Simply check in transcription guideline about curse word. Using Ctrl plus F and paste here and you get the answer of this question. If there is a curse word in the audio, transcribe them word for word. So transcribe it word for word is the correct option of first question. And second question is, what is the correct format of timestamping? Timestamping two types is when change of speaker and when 2 minutes timestamping. So, what is the format of timestamping when change of speaker? So, correct format of change of speaker is B option. Timestamping first and then speaker name and then colon. If you have any doubt about this question, you simply check transcription guideline and move to the timestamping section and you get the answer. If you click here, example docs or PDF, you get the format of change of speaker. And next question is third question, and question is, which form is the correct one when showing affirmation in full verbatim? So you move to the full verbatim section and here you move to the affirmation section. Affirmation section is, this is the affirmation word so these words are affirmation and B and C is correct option according to the transcription guidelines. Fourth question, what is the correct way to mark false starts in full verbatim? What is the correct format of false starts? So simply move to the false start section in full verbatim. So here is false start and you see there is a double dashes between the word and so on. So that's why this C option is correct. First option is correct. I went to, then 2 dashes, I slept well last night. This is the correct option of fourth question. And fifth question is, what is the rule about slang word in clean verbatim? Simply copy this word and check in transcription guideline and slang word in clean verbatim. So this is the slang word must be written as got you instead of pasha, going to instead of gonna, went to instead of one. So this is the rule of slang word in clean verbatim. So that's why B option is correct. Fifth question. Sixth question is, if the audio has no sound. Think like client, if audio is not playing for a technical reason, report this file and do not submit. This is the correct option. If the audio is no sound, you report this file and do not submit. If you have any doubt, simply check transcription guideline. You get the answer to this question also. Seventh question. What is the basic rule to applying while transcribing an audio file in clean verbatim? So what is the basic rule of applying transcribing? So simply read this clean verbatim section. You get the answer of this question. So the beginning of a sentence should always be capitalized. So this is the correct. Longer speech should be separated into smaller paragraph. Paragraph should not be longer than. So this is also correct. Punctuation is a not part of transcriber work. This is false. Punctuation is also part of transcriber work. So that's why seventh question answer is A and B. Eighth question is which sentences his are correctly capitalized and punctuated. There is four different options, and correct option is first one and last one. So A and D are both correct option of eighth question. If you have any doubt, you simply search in transcription guideline. You get the answer of this question. So this is the correct answer. Correct sentence. Yeah, right, noted, and this is also correct. So these two sentences correct. So that's why A and D is correct option. Ninth question is how should you transcribe a spell word? Simply check in transcription guideline. If you already read this guideline, you get the answer of this question. If a speaker spells a word or name, my name is Anna, then you spell in this way, and each character is separated by dash. So that's why this B option is correct. Of ninth question answer is B. 10th and last question is how do repetition look in full verbatim? How repetition look in full verbatim? Simply we move to the full verbatim section in transcription guideline. So this is the full verbatim section, and there is a repetition. So this is the repetition, and you see I went then dash, then I went to the. So single dash is used in repetition. So that's why C option is correct according to the transcription guideline rules. So 10th question answer is C. After all, you need to click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you move to the next page of Gotranscript audio test. So please check video description. There is a link for audio test. I hope this video is helpful for you, and please like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.